These are interesting times that we're living in. The governor has issued a shelter-in-place order for Lehigh County. City Hall is closed for the public. Our next council meeting won't be until April 15th. Life as we know it truly has changed. Thousands of people are out of work and worried about paying bills, losing our homes. And guess what? I'm with you. I am worried too. I'm also worried about populations that were barely hanging on before all of this. Many folks have been in crisis mode for a long time. The vast majority of us are living paycheck to paycheck. We're just one emergency like this away from homelessness and losing it all. This pandemic is showing us these cracks, more like enormous gaps in the system. Low-wage workers that don't have enough to save for an emergency, people who don't have health care and are afraid to seek treatment because of the cost, the inability of workers to take time off. These are all cracks in the system. We spend our time walking this tightrope where just one little breeze knocks everything off and there's no safety net to catch us. People who are experiencing homelessness will be one of the hardest hit groups during this crisis. We're told to shelter in place, but what do you do if you don't have a place to shelter? Libraries and restaurants are closed, so there's no place for people to use the bathroom or to wash their hands. It's that simple. If we're sick, we're told to quarantine. But how does someone quarantine if they don't have a home to do so? People who are experiencing homelessness are at a higher risk to become ill because they tend to have a significant number of underlying conditions. Our street neighbors are just that. They're our neighbors. They're people. They deserve dignity. They are counting on us as a city to step up and make sure that our community is safe for them. I've been on multiple calls about this issue. The cities and nonprofits, hospitals, we're stepping up. The need for hand washing stations has been identified and it's being addressed right now. The need for tents has been brought up, and organizations like Oath and Valley Youth House and Ripple are helping with that. Organizations are working on providing showers as we speak. Street medicine and the parish nurses are treating the medical needs that folks have. Ripple is providing food and a place for people to sit during the day. The Conference of Churches and New Bethany Church are giving to-go bags, and the food banks, they're still operating. The Y is providing dinners to go. The rescue mission is still taking men. Conversations are in the works right now to secure indoor housing for our street neighbors. In times of crisis, there's so much uncertainty, but these are the times when we see people and organizations step up, people who are pulling together. We've identified these cracks in the system, and now is the time for us to fix the actual systems themselves. Allentown is strong. We'll get through this together, and we'll be stronger because of it.
I think you did.